How to kidnap trains. Step 1. Tart isn't real, he can't hurt you. Tart. Don't call yourself a Thomas fan if you haven't read our Bible. Me, I'm going on holiday. Person, what about lockdown? Me, no, holiday in my bedroom watching Soda's Legend of the Lost Treasure. Nobody, eBay sellers when listing Tommy Oliver. Mega ultra rare. When the new catches up with the old. Me after wiping my ass for the 10th time and the paper is still shitty. Thomas had never seen such constant shit before. Person, you can't be obsessed with a kids movie. Me. There's no such thing as a Tommy Oliver card opening. They tortured him then fed his body to pigs. Byron. Trevor Scott is not real. He can't hurt you. Trevor Scott. When someone gives you sweets and expects a favor back. Oh, so you like children, eh? How would you also like the inside of my firebox? When you run out of children. Hey kid. Hop in my cab. I've got some candy. Thomas doesn't have a brother, so he can't hurt you. Thomas's brother. Pack Thomas isn't real. He can't hurt you. Pack Thomas. People, when you turn a tapping sound into a Thomas theme, why are you like this? There doesn't seem to be any cringe around him. Man. Drunk in it. Person, makeup makes me look pretty. The person. When fart. When you fail to realize the pit is full of water, but step into it anyway. Bother. I fear no man. But that thing. It scares me. Shit. If there's something strange in your construction yard, who you gonna call? Ghostbuster. E. Thomas. Chomish. Percy, well it wasn't anything really, water's nothing to an engine with determination. Also Percy. You're a terrible character. Asterisk you're. Peter Gam isn't real, he can't hurt you. Peter Gam. Diesels took over Sodor. Toby died. The apocalypse began. Someone else has the express. Sir, I can't hide these bodies anymore. Shut the fuck up. Doing your damn job. Having Percy, Toby, Ryan do it for you. Daisy. When there's a new engine, the council will decide your fate. When constipation. When you're a fan of big engines, but you also like small engines. Murdoch. Why have you only got two carriages attached? Asked the boy on the other platform. Because it's rush hour, laughed Thomas. Henry. Jack in his introduction episodes. I'll fucking do it. Shake your phone gently. I think I forgot something. If you forgot, then it wasn't important. Yeah, you're right. Rare photo of a shark finding out the price of Tommy Oliver on eBay. Fat hat, we need to talk about the elephant in the room. When you get trained, my mad tell. No, I said trained. Mr. Conductor exists. Diesel 10. I'm about to end this man's whole life. Do you like the new Steam team? We beg to differ. Boko pillow. Boko pillow. For mama. For papa. For the Great Western Railway. Sudor Steam Works. Vickerstown Diesel Works. You just got Gordoned. Shut the fuck up. I'm playing with Wit, the Thomas and Friends Superstation released by Madtel and Fisher Price. From now on, Henry. Stop drinking beer. Down glass after the missing coach. Son, Dad, how was I born? Dad, I have the perfect song to explain. Accidents happen. Gonna prank eBay sellers when they sell Tommy Oliver for a good price. Day 1. Day 2. Day 817. Certified Beans moment. Can't escape my demons. Me, taking a shower. Some random shampoo bottle. TTTE, somehow mistakes Paxman for Paxton. Also TTTE, has 2 characters named Oliver. Visible confusion. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same picture. Literally every engine, after costing the railway thousands of dollars. Sorry. Green caterpillar. Green whale. Annoying green parrot who won't shut up about the Great Western. Expectation. Reality. Faxman. What? Bertram the bus. Bottom text. You came to the wrong neighborhood. Motherfucker. When you get written off a show before the show is ruined. New Vine series coming soon. Send us your random Thomas videos that make no sense. Thanks for watching. Send your memes through Twitter or email.